Hi, I'm Erin Muldoon Stetson, or some people refer to me as Erin the Healer. And today I'm gonna talk to you about back pain, specifically sciatica pain, because I got a request from someone who needed some help with it. And so I thought I'd help you out right now. If you're suffering from sciatica, I'd just like you to check in with it right now on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the most intense. Check what level of intensity you have. And then if you can put that in the comments, what level intensity your sciatica pain is right now, just put it in the comments or send me a message. If you want, definitely write it down for yourself. Okay. And then I'd like you to join with me right now. You can also, if you feel comfortable with it, put a note of what your symptoms are for your sciatica pain so that I can include those also in the video. Okay, so just follow along with me and we'll see if we can get you some relief from that. So just take a nice deep breath in and hold it. And let it out nice, big, and smooth. Take another nice deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Okay, now just join along with me. Go ahead and tap on your karate chop spot. And repeat after me if you're in a place where you can do that, okay? So even though I have this sciatica pain, how do you say it? I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. Even though I have this sciatica pain, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. Even though I have this sciatica pain and it is excruciating, it's so irritating. It stops me from doing things. I choose to center myself and balance myself and love and accept myself just as I am. Now take your 2 fingers and tap on points. This terrible sciatic pain, side of your eye. This excruciating sciatic pain, now under the eye. There's pressure on my sciatic nerve, under your nose. And you're just repeating me as we go along, okay? This sharp, burning pain. A crack in your chin. This aching pain. Collarbone. This herniated disc causing this pain. Underneath your arm. This sciatica is driving me insane. Top of your head. It's so uncomfortable. I just can't stand it. All this stress. Side of your eye. All this irritation under your eye, all this pain. It's excruciating and frustrating. And it's messing with my life. I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. Now with every breath you take, we're going to breathe while we're tapping, but with every breath you take, I want you to breathe in all the way to your sciatic pain. Whichever side it's going down, whether it's in your back, your butt, your hips, back of your legs, back of your knees, calves, wherever it is, I want you to breathe in as much oxygen as you can to that area, okay? So just breathing in the oxygen to the pain and holding it. And now let it out. Now breathe all the way into that, your oxygen all the way into that part where the pain is, the sciatic pain is. Nice deep breath and hold it at the top. And let it out. And if you can tap along with me while you're doing the breathing, great. Breathe in again. And out. Underneath your arm, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself. Top of your head, I choose to center myself and balance myself and love and accept myself just as I am. Okay, now open up your palms, just rest them on your thighs or wherever it feels comfortable, and take one more deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Just notice how you feel. Notice how your sciatica feels. See if it's changed at all, the quality has changed at all, or the intensity has changed at all. You take note of what number you were at before we did the tapping. Hopefully you wrote it down or put it in a comment in this video. And then what I'd like you to do is tell me what level your pain is at the end of the video, and also let me know if the quality changed at all or stayed the same or whatnot. I'd just love to hear as much information as I can so that I can help you in the next video, or if you'd like a one-on-one session where we can really zero in on your specific symptoms, causes, to try to get the most efficient and effective results that we can. You can always contact me in a message here, in a comment here, or send me an email. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this really helped you. Please share it with anyone you know who might need this kind of help, because a lot of people suffer from this. That was my story. I had a herniated disc and sciatica down my left leg, and I suffered for 10 years with that pain. And so hopefully you won't have to do that. Hopefully we can just nip that in the bud and give you the freedom you deserve. Okay, have a wonderful day. Peace, love, happiness, balance. Mwah. Ciao.